Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. And yes, this is Omkara Tarot. It's just a temporary setting because I'm moving home, city, life, everything. And my furniture hasn't arrived yet. So if my voice is resounding, excuse me for that as well. But I'm not going to stop myself from taking out a reading for you. Since the cards are here, I'm here, you're here, Spirit is here. So let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Aquarius. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright Aquarius, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers and thank you for your patience. Sorry I couldn't do the last week's readings. I will make it up to you, I promise. And newbies, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in as well. So Aquarius, Ace of Cups in reverse with the Eight of Cups. Somebody is walking away from something that they don't feel there's any more love left. But there is a King of Swords center of my spread. Somebody wants to talk. Somebody wants to talk, clear the air. They want their person to open up. They do want to show up now in a good light. They want to take charge. They want to do the right thing, it seems. Maybe after their person has kind of walked away feeling unloved. There is a new beginning. There's somebody wants to offer, let's forget about the past. Can we have a brand new beginning? Can we end the fight? So let's see. I'm going to clarify all these cards, Aquarius, but let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other first, what that would be. Then we'll do the clarification. So Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And Aquarius, if any of you are looking for personal readings, I have restarted my private readings again. My email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Aquarius and their person, thank you. Let's take a couple more from here, Aquarius. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. Alright, good to go Aquarius. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I know that you're with someone else, but you could tell me the truth about how you feel, so I don't think I'm going effing crazy. It hurts me that you continue to choose others over me. What do they have that I don't? Or is it that you don't feel worthy of a real connection? It drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Yes, I love you unconditionally, but I'm not your parent. And quite frankly, your behavior takes the piss at times. You need to act like an adult for our relationship to work. I want to protect you, steal your smiles, stop your tears, and wake up to kiss you every morning. I want to show you that you are the best thing that's happened to me. I'm planning a surprise engagement. I want to ask you to marry me. Will you say yes? I didn't know what love was until our fated meeting. I pray that God will unite us soon because you are my destiny. I love you till the end of times. This situation is messy. I really need your warmth and affection. We've come too far to give up on us. Let's start over. See, that's exactly what I was feeling. Somebody wants to say, hey, can we end the fight and can we start over? I didn't have the courage to tell you. Okay, now those are your dialogue message cards, Aquarius. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first, and then we'll do the clarification, okay? So my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius. And the card I have here for you is play music. Take a chill pill. Somebody is feeling very unloved, thinking of walking away, very upset, very angry, I guess. But Spirit is saying, hey, take a chill pill. Things are not as bad as they look. Okay? Somebody is probably thinking or trying to come back to do the right thing here. Let's see what's going to happen. So why is the Ace of Cups in reverse, Spirit? Why is the Ace of Cups in reverse? Ace of Cups in reverse. Okay, so Ace of Cups is in reverse because I think somebody has spent a lot of time having sleepless nights, being very worried or being left by themselves or stressing, tension, wanting their person to mature up, become the emperor, right? Become the emperor, not do the same thing over and over again, wanting them to be decisive and take action or do something. And they feel, what's the point if, you're not going to mature up, you're going to continue to do the same thing again and again. Somebody is wanting their person to become that emperor and choose. And if you're not going to choose, then that making them feel maybe unloved, almost thinking that it's time to walk away, yet looking back and hoping that this person will, mature up maybe, I don't know. There's been a fight. There's been some harsh words maybe spoken, some anger, upset. This Empress I think is upset. This could have been a happy situation maybe at one point, but this Empress is right now upset because of maybe this person's immature behavior, or maybe they said something harsh or rude or something like that. And even though there was happiness here, this Empress seems like not very happy at the moment. Why is that, Spirit? Why is the Devil here? Why is the Devil here? Somebody is going back and forth in their mind about, I don't know, this is trying to get themselves unstuck from a messy situation where there's been too much overthinking, feeling stressed out, just wanting to almost come to a point and say, I don't want this anymore. I would rather be happy by myself and do things that make me happy now. If you are always going to juggle me, if you're always going to never, have a balanced connection, then maybe that person had some addictions, could be alcohol, could be drugs, could be anything which could be jeopardizing this Ten of Pentacles, right? So I think one person is kind of wanting to get out of this stressful situation. Maybe the person was being a little overindulgent, I don't know. Why is this Four of Pentacles in reverse? Yes, somebody is wanting to one more. Why is the Four of Pentacles? There's been a fight. There's been an argument, fight, which has made this Empress, who's showing up now as the Queen of Wands in reverse, little angry, little upset, feeling I don't want to reconnect with you maybe, but the other person who maybe didn't do the right thing, who's now showing up as the Emperor, and they want to take action. They want to open up once again. They want to start communication again, showing up as the King of Swords, center of my spread. Like, this is somebody who really wants to have a serious conversation. Let's see what they want to say. The King of Swords, what do you want to say? That they feel everything backfired on them. They do want things to start moving forward. They're feeling very stuck. They do love their person. And now I think this person is quite ready to choose their person. Maybe in the past they didn't, and that's the reason, or they want to explain why they were not choosing or why they were halting. Ever since I think this Queen of Cups has walked away, it's kind of woken this King of Swords up. Now they want to get out of the cold, but they are planning. Look at this, how much of guilt and sorrow and sadness they're feeling because their person could have walked away from them, right? So what are they planning, Spirit? What are they planning? They don't know how. Oh my God, this person is feeling very, very, very burdened by the fact that they never put in the work towards this connection, and they have upset their partner. They are realizing that they have disrespected their partner in some way, and that's why the stagnation has happened. I think somebody wants to come in and now and offer a brand new beginning. What's this, Spirit? Ace of Pentacles? Yes, they want to have victory once again with their Queen of Cups, their Empress. They do want to open up, they want to talk, they want to explain, they do want to do the right thing, it seems. Five of Wands in reverse. Yes, somebody is coming in with clear communication. They do want to talk. They do want to talk. So why is the Knight of Cups in reverse? That's what. Oh, they're fearing rejection now. They fear that they didn't invest in the past towards the Queen of Cups, who they love very, very much. There is a lot of love here. This Emperor is coming in. They are just fearing that they may get rejected. But they are making a decision. Two of Swords in reverse. What's the decision, Spirit? They are coming back. They're missing their Empress too much. This Emperor is ready to take, control and do the right thing now. Somebody is making that choice, making that decision. They want their person to come back. They want to go back to their person. They want to clear the air. They do want to talk. They want to end this fight. They're feeling very, very bad. They have a lot of love in their heart for this Empress. They may not have shown it. One more, Spirit. Yeah, see, here comes the apology. They're coming back to apologize. I'm sorry. Please come back. Okay, let me know in the comments if it's resonating. That would be really nice. And or just leave a thumbs up. That helps as well. Helps the videos to circulate as well. So thank you. I'll see you soon. Very, very soon. Till next time then. Love and light. Take care, Aquarius.